Hi guys, welcome back to Shop Go Mad. So today I'm going to talk about my favorite product from my brand, hair extensions, clip-on colored hair extensions. So you can get streaks for just 250 rupees, free shipping for the first week of New Year. For all you guys, just for 250 rupees, you can get any color. Like I literally have so many colors and I'm going to show it right now, and I'm gonna show how to apply it and how many colors we have and how beautiful it looks without going out to a salon. You can just change your look like in a second. So let's do that. So I'm gonna try this very beautiful blue aqua green kind of a color. It's very like a unique color, and I know not all of you might want to go and get them done. Like ऐसा लगता है डैमेज हो जाएंगे, कितना ब्लीच करना पड़ेगा and all that. So with these you don't have to do any bleach, anything. It's just a clip-on hair accessory which looks like real hair. Can you see how silky and how beautiful this looks? So they look like real hair, and you just can have your own hair streaks at home without going to a salon in like literally a second. Can you see that? How beautiful it looks. Now you can add as many as you want. You want to be playful, add more colors or whatever, chop them up to your length. You can just do this and you have a blue aqua green kind of a streak, a pop of color on your hair without damaging your hair. And yeah, that's the only reason that I love streaks. I love hair. I love colored hair. I love coloring my hair, but I know I have damaged it a lot. Like right now also I have balayage. So अच्छा इसी बात पे एक और बात, many people say कि colored hair पे एक और color कैसे अच्छा लगेगा. If you have colored hair, go for another pop of color. Like I have balayage. It's kind of a blonde brown kind of a color, right? Different streaks, so that's why I'm adding this on it. So it is like a pop of color. It's adding little fun to my look, and yeah, it's just too cute. I'll just add it here. So make sure you add it thoda niche so you can mix it up with your hair so it looks like ये आपके बाल है, like आपने royal में color कराया है. You can chop them up to your length, comb your hair, go out, have fun, have a pop of color. So yeah, that simple it is, like literally. Now let me show you the colors that we have. Now that you have seen how amazing this look, I'm actually obsessed with this color recently. Like I feel like applying this daily. Anyways, let me show you the colors we have. So this is the color we have. We have more than 50 colors. We have purple, we have pastel pink, we have blue and black. For people who feel a little comfortable with going like ekdam pop, you can also go with colors like this which start with black and blue, kind of a ombre effect, and then goes to different color. So yeah, you can go for these. Even black and other color में भी हमारे पास बहुत choices है. So this, then we have black and pink. It's kind of a neon pink. It's beautiful. कौन जाके neon pink कराएगा? That is a lot of bleach, lot of hair damage, right? Pastel colors, like everyone, I think everyone loves pastel colors. I adore them. I love them. Having those on my hair is like amazing, and especially if I'm wearing some outfit which is of this color, having my own accessory hair color which matches to my outfit, I actually like that. So yeah, you can buy hair extensions, don't damage your hair, and get colored streaks in like a second. So purple again. We have burgundy. Burgundy was a huge hit on our exhibitions. This is the one clip. We also have 5 clip, and 5 clip was like, oh my god, people loved it. Now we have black also. You would be like, black क्यों? So black का purpose क्या है? Some people have thin hair over here, like on top. So for that, you can attach this on your black hair and chop them up to your length, and this will actually help you to give the increase in volume that you need So this is how the black hair extension works. I think this is a great idea, great way to invest when you are literally uncomfortable about your front part कि यहाँ पे बाल कम है, volume कम है, thinning हो रही है बालों में. This will really help. Just $250 guys. Like that's very inexpensive. Another kind of a purple, or this is the same pastel one. Then we have black and brown. We have gray and black. We have a beautiful neon green, very bright, very beautiful. We have dark burgundy, we have light burgundy. Yeah, that and this is different. So this one was the pastel and this is like a little purplish kind of a shade. So you can see the difference. They are so pretty. We also have yellow. Yes, mango yellow, lemon yellow. Beautiful shades. Again, we have black se hote hue ombre look mein. So with colors like this, I understand some people love to experiment. Like I love to experiment with colors, but some people are not comfortable, and that is why you can try this out, see how it looks, and probably if you want to get the hair color done, you can do that too. So this is a neon pink, love it. Then we have purple and black. We have light purple and black, very pretty, beautiful color, really बहुत अच्छी hit sale थी इसकी भी. This was, oh my god, हमने Comic Con में भी लगाया था. So this was a huge hit there. I don't know, some character had this. So this was like, oh my god, people love this combination, and I also like love it because it's like really a beautiful pop of color and एकदम दूर से कुछ different unique thing. If you are that kind of, you can try that. This is black and burgundy, like I told you, ombre effect mein. I don't know if you can see it here, but this is black and burgundy, not pure burgundy. Then we have black and red. Like red also, people loved red. People also loved blue, and I'm going to show you that blue. This is the lighter blue. दूसरा blue was like बहुत ज़्यादा hit में. This is like this only, but ये था थोड़ा blue and aqua color types. This is more like sea blue and purple, and I love this also. I love pop of colors. What to do? I'll show you the blue which was it. This is a very dark, beautiful blue color, and this was a huge hit over there. And then what do we have here? So we have bright red also. कैमरा में थोड़ा ज़्यादा bright आ रहा है, उससे हल्का कम bright है. And again burgundy. So the difference between this burgundy and that burgundy is this is more of a dark burgundy, if you can see in the camera, and this is more of a light one. Let me turn this light off. I think this is more clear now. This is the darker one and this is the lighter one. This is more bright and this is for people who want कि वो थोड़ा blend in हो जाए आपके बालों में. So we got this a lot कि ऐसा ना लगे कि एकदम ऊपर से आए उठ के आए. So for those people it is like blend हो जाता है burgundy color, इतना pop नहीं होता. It's light and smooth. Brown color, dark blue color, those colors are for you guys if you don't like एकदम pop हो हलक से. Bright blue. Then we have this ink purple blue, beautiful color. And what else do we have? Yeah, we have so many colors. Bright red में we have black and bright red. This is another kind of a pink we have with black. This I have shown you, beautiful color. This I have shown you. We also have baby pink and black. This is such a beautiful color. I know I'm saying it, सारे colors को beautiful. I love colors, what can I say? So yeah guys, neon pink, I don't know if I've shown you this, neon pink and black. And bright blue था, उसमें black and bright blue भी है. तो black से होते हुए नीचे blue आएगा. That will give a beautiful ombre effect to your hair. Yeah, this blue I think I've shown you. This was really hit. So yeah guys, that's it. You've seen on the colors. If you want to order, अभी free shipping चल रही है. Order right now. You can DM us or you can WhatsApp us. The link, all the description is in the description above the page, on the page, so go and check that out. And yeah, you can Google Pay, you can Paytm, you can send it via bank, whatever you're comfortable with, but we are not doing COD for now, and we are shipping worldwide, and you will get the product within like 2 to 4 days maximum. Yeah, it is a fast shipping and it's a very secure shipping. It is from Delivery, and yeah, that's that. Thank you so much, and I hope you like the hair extensions. Now you can also buy like couple of them and put it all around your hair like that, and it will look like आपने color करवाया है बालों में, like streaks कराई है बालों में. If you have black hair, go for any one pop of color and take सारे उसके and just put it around. I'll definitely show you that, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's it. Bye. Love from Shop Go Man.